So we decided, yes, you're the main character in this movie again. What is it with him? We want him to be our narrator of the day tomorrow. So he's going to decide for us, and we actually want to start this tonight with him deciding when our timer has to go in the morning. So we either have 7:30 a.m. or 8:30 a.m. Choose wise because it's over midnight already. We need to get some sleep, please. Here we have his decisions, and now we're going to see how he will decide.
Go.
Yes! Oh my god! Yes! Good boy! Thanks! Oh my god. Good night. That started off better than I thought.
Oh, I didn't know that I need sleep so bad.
Yeah, I was really anxious. I was like, no, I don't want to wake up at 7:30, but now we have to commit. The first round.
Nacht.
Gute Nacht, meine Freunde. We'll see you in the morning. Good morning. Good morning in the morning.
When I think about yesterday.
Good morning in the morning. Oh, um Gottes Willen.
Hi.
My oh my. My oh my.
Thank you, Master. Thank you for letting us sleep today. It was very much needed.
Thank you, thank you. No. Cocky looks like a model in the morning and I look like a crackhead.
That's not true.
I'm very well aware of it. Yeah.
It's not true, Mama. Not true.
Sometimes Cocky starts singing in the morning when she sees me walking to the bathroom. She's like, there goes the crackhead dancing.
Yeah, because you brought it up once. And it's just so funny. We just came back from our walk. We didn't take the camera with us because it's kind of moody outside and rainy. Now it's time for Pina's second decision making. We have these two. One says yoga and one says workout because he has the honor to decide what kind of workout we're going to do right now.
I really want to do yoga because we haven't really moved in over a week because my back hurts so bad. It's better now, but yeah.
Yeah, let's see. Be wise, like yesterday. You did so great.
Yeah, you're such a good boy. Are you? You're such a good boy, but are you? Are you?
So here we got our two little pieces of carrot because he loves carrot. Let's see what he decides.
Okay. Okay.
It looked so promising and then he just went to the workout, but okay.
There's still something.
Get the other one. Oh, are you stupid? Pino. Get it. Okay. He was like, no yoga for us.
Why do you hate me? What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong?
Okay. Workout it is. What did you find for us?
Powerhouse abs.
Okay, then let's burn those abs.
In with the air, 4, 5, exhale, 3, 4, 5, in, and exhale, 3, 4, 5. You've got 7 more. Keep trying to curl higher off the ground, and the pulse stay vigorous. All the way up. All right. So now we take our bridge exercise.
We made it! We made it! Our abs are burning, but we feel good. It wasn't too stressful for your back, right?
Yeah, no, it was good. It was perfect.
So, what's the next thing he has to choose?
Our breakfast. A breakfast choice.
Here's our next decision making. Will we have bread or porridge?
What do you prefer?
You know what I prefer.
Bread.
Yeah, for me it's always savory bread with some nice hummus and avocado and stuff like that. But I know that Sarah prefers porridge.
No, I don't prefer porridge today. I don't have preference today. Usually yes, but not today. Okay.
Yay!
Yay!
He's so excited. He's like, yes, I'm doing such a good job.
Such a good boy. I'm happy.
Yeah?
I'm happy.
Okay, great.
Because I'm gonna eat it with cashew mousse. With cashew cream or cashew mousse, whatever.
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna eat it savory. It's bread, but not savory. Make it sweet. It's bread, but sweet.
My oh my, my oh my, a kiss and so I did.
Thank you, Peppino, for blessing us with your choice and with this meal.
Smells like fart. Tell them what you've done.
For everyone who's seen our last vlog, I told you about kala namak, and yes, I'm eating bread with avocado.
Yes,
so
everything smells like fart. Yay. Okay, this is probably the ugliest mug you've ever seen in your entire life.
No. It's trashy, but it's cool.
I don't know if it's cool, but when we didn't live together, Cocky had this mug at her place and I refused to drink out of it, but it was the biggest one. So, and I really like I like a big mug of green tea in the morning to
Inhale life.
inhale life and then survive. So I usually pick this cup, or Cocky picked it for me, and then it was a joke between us. You're an insider.
Oh,
somebody's getting ready.
Somebody's getting ready. I think he gets the hang of it. He's like, okay, there are two
cards on the floor.
cards on the floor.
I get a tree.
Where's
I
my
get
tree?
two trees.
The next thing we want him to decide is whether we put on something comfy or something fancy. So, and I think you
We're
can
not
all
gonna-
guess what we want.
Comfy all the way.
So, please, yeah. Because the only thing we're about to do is going for a second walk with him. So
Yeah.
we don't necessarily want to be fancy. I'm gonna be in a
Dress up.
ball gown.
No.
No, but yeah,
Okay.
let's see what he decides.
On the right side we got fat. On the left side we got. On the left side we got comfy. On the right side we got fancy. In the middle we got Peppino. Slowly coming up to me, Peppino.
Peppino, come. The treats are going in. You decide in 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Hallelujah!
Praise the Lord.
Praise Peppino!
Love ya.
He's just the best.
Love ya.
Okay, Peppino, your wish is our command. Ta-da! Are you happy? Is this comfy? I think it is. Thank you.
High five.
Yay! Now let's go for a walk.
Let's go for a walk?
Walk.
Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk.
Later on, I will put on some sweatpants and I will never look back. We're back from our walk and now I want to cook. But yet again, of course, Pino has to decide what we're going to eat tonight. What are the options, Sarah?
So we got misir, which is an Ethiopian dish, and then we have vegan bolognese.
Yeah. Do you have any preference?
No, not really. I really love misir. I really love it. So I could eat it every day. But I also love the way you do the vegan bolognese. So
Miso or vegan bolognese? What will it be?
Okay.
Miso it is! Yay! Wise choice yet again. And I mean, we will eat the other thing in 2 days anyway, so we're gonna be excited for that.
Because we already bought everything to be prepared.
Now I quickly have to get our food ready because something exciting is happening today.
Yay!
And we're quite nervous because we're going to have a podcast interview.
We participate.
Yeah, we participate from the sweet Amanda, who has a podcast called BabesGettingBi, because
Getting bi.
bi with
Bisexual.
BI, yeah, because she's a fellow bisexual. She was kind enough to ask us if we want to participate in her podcast, and of course it's quite, I don't know, exciting because we love speaking English. We try to do everything in English, but like being on the stand with someone and communicating like this, and we try to talk in English even off camera the whole day as much as possible to be in the flow and be ready.
Especially me, because Cocky's English is better because she speaks since she's like a little girl. But yeah, so I'm quite nervous, and I think I'm gonna say, yeah, you can answer.
No, we will both answer. Her whole vibe and her podcast seems so lovely, so yeah, we're excited to be a part of it.
Whenever it comes to talking and speaking English, I'm like, I'm so shy. I'm not really shy.
We made it!
Yay!
We made the podcast and she was as lovely as expected, right? Yeah, I think we talked more than 1.5 hours. And we had just a nice little chat about everything. You have to check her out. Her podcast name is BabesGettingBi. Whenever our episode is ready, we will let you know in any way. Maybe here,
Instagram.
Maybe here or on Instagram, so you have to follow us. You gotta have to follow us, so what can we do? Now we're finally eating our miso, right?
I'm so hungry.
Let me show you. It just looks like a mash out of anything.
It looks not good. Actually, it looks disgusting.
Excuse me?
Sorry.
Exposed. No, but I get what she means, but it's the tastiest shit. And we have the tastiest bread with it. It's an olive baguette.
Ciabatta, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah, right. So.
Ciabatta, right?
Watch two wild creatures in their natural habitat, gleaming over their final decision.
I don't know what she's talking about. For real.
Who's a good boy and who's a good girl? Oh, yeah, you are.
I'm not gonna do that.
Oh,
Too much effort. Okay, let's find out who's going to go for a walk. Baby, baby. Kiss. No, not
Kissy?
the camera.
Kissy?
I want to kiss you. Can you just?
He's like, what do I have to do to get a treat? Here we have
Nine.
our mom and mommy signs.
Okay.
What do you mean? You're a mom. I mean, I'm so happy that you're so excited to go out with him, but I'm sorry to tell you that.
Chose me because you love mom more. Oh, that's so special and so cute.
Post-edit Cocky, can I have a rewind in slow motion of how excited and ecstatic and happy Sarah was? Here you go.
What do you mean? You're a mom.
Oh. You take one for the team, Mom. What did you think? What did you think?
I forgot. Okay, I forgot. I just stopped making fun.
I'm mean, he wants you. Isn't that cute?
That's because he loves me so much.
Yeah.
So much more than because of you.
Okay, let's finish watching the last episode
Prison
of
Break!
Prison Break season 3. She got me hooked. She did it.
Yeah, I've
Thank
seen
you.
it before. I've watched it before.
It's a curse and a blessing because it's really well made, but there are so many people dying and so many people I care about that are suffering, and I can't take it anymore.
Tell me that you want to spend some time.
I'm outside until you tell me to stop being so dramatic. I'm always being so dramatic. I still is quiet when it's cold.
Peppino! Hey, hey. Hey, my babies. Thank you for being the joy
I'm
of
out
our
of
life.
breath.
But why, mommy?
I'm old.
That's true.
Fuck you.
What?
Fuck you.
I'm gonna kill Georgie now. That was fun, right? Letting him decide? No? Wasn't it fun?
Yeah,
No?
fun.
What is mom doing? We're gonna say goodnight for now and see you next time.
Bye.
Bye!
Good night, everyone. Subscribe and thumbs up and good night. Oh, God. Schneller, schneller, aggressiver. Ich gehe jetzt vor.
This is love.